This is the abstract letter design project. You'll have the 9 weeks to get it done, and I'd like to go over how to get started and I want you to work on it and what you'll be trying to accomplish. So the first thing you'll do is you'll get a piece of cardstock from me, and you will cut out a letter of your choice. I chose A for art, and you'll cut it out. If you need an X-Acto knife to cut out like a whole, if you have a P or a D or an A or whatever, I'll be happy to get you one of them and you can cut it out, okay? And then what you're going to do after you have your letters cut out, you're going to go ahead and trace and use this template to trace your letter on your paper. We'll be working on 6x16 paper. And you're just going to rotate your letter and repeat tracing it, pretending that the first line drawings weren't there until you've covered the whole page. The idea behind this is to abstract the letter, and abstraction means distorted. So I don't want to really be able to recognize the letter that I used. Now, because you see that I'm using an A, you'll probably be able to pick out the fact that I used the letter A. But once we get into adding color to it, that A starts to disappear. So I'm not going to sit and trace all this. I have one kind of already started here, as you can see. So I went ahead and traced all of my A's to fill my whole sheet. Again, overlapping, trying to fill as much of the space as I can, creating all these little tiny little spaces and shapes in between all my letters. The next step then is to choose 4 colors. So I'm going to use blue, orange, brown, and my 4th color is going to be white. And the idea is to color a shape, and then no shape next to it should be that exact same color, because now you're going to bring it back to being a larger shape. So you just kind of start anywhere you want, and you work your way around the piece of artwork, filling in the shapes. And as you do so, think about where you want to place your colors, but also as you're filling it in, notice I'm filling in the entire shape. I'm not just doing it real quick color job. I'm taking my time and filling the space in so that there is very little white, because it is colored pencil, so it'll make it a little bit difficult to eliminate all the white, but very little white within that shape. And again, trying not to get the colors to touch themselves. And then you'll do this until the entire page is done.